In front of me I have Nokia 8000 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open Google app. Like this. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold two buttons together. The asterisk button right here, the star, and the hash button right here. Press and hold them together. And after a second or two, you will get the notification that the screenshot was saved to gallery. Let's go back. You can go back to home screen by pressing this button right here and open the notices. As you can see, here we have the notice that the screenshot was saved to gallery. And to check the screenshot, simply open the app menu by pressing the middle button on the directional keypad, find the gallery icon, select it and press the middle button to enter. And here we have our gallery. As you can see, here we have our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.